Rafale fighter jets arrives in India today. Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant remembers late Manohar Parrikar. Here's what Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant posted. The Rafale fighter jets are arriving in India today. This modern technological marvel will provide a major boost to Indian Air Force and enhance our overall defense capabilities. I congratulate PM Shri Narendra Modi ji for his strong and decisive leadership. I'm also very proud of the fact that our beloved leader, late Shri Manohar Parrikar, played a key role in the procurement process of the fighter jets. The first batch of 5 Rafale fighter jets has landed at the Ambala Air Base after covering a distance of nearly 7,000 kilometers to join the Indian Air Force fleet. The fleet, comprising 3 single-seater and 2 twin-seater aircraft, will be part of the number 17 Squadron of the Air Force, also known as the Golden Arrows. Here's what Defense Minister Rajnath Singh said in a series of tweets. The birds have landed safely in Ambala. The touchdown of Rafale combat aircrafts in India marks the beginning of a new era in our military history. These multi-role aircrafts will revolutionize the capabilities of the Indian Air Force. Welcome home, Golden Arrows, blue skies always. The Indian Air Force tweeted with a photo of Rafale in arrow formation, given a ceremonial welcome by Su-30s. Rajnath Singh had earlier tweeted that the birds had entered the Indian airspace. The planes are expected to boost India's air power massively amid tensions with China and Pakistan. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.